Here's the detailed comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A56 and Samsung Galaxy A55. Main camera. A56 has a triple camera system 50MP wide, f/1.8, with 12MP ultra wide, 2.2 5MP macro, 2.4. A55 has a triple camera system 50MP wide, 1.8 plus 12MP ultra wide, 2.2 5MP macro, 2.4. Camera zoom. A 56 has support for up to 10x digital zoom. A 55 has support for up to 10x digital zoom. Video recording. A 56 has up to 4K video recording at 30 FPS. A 55 has up to 4K video recording at 30 FPS. Selfie camera. A 56 has a 12MP front camera, f/2.2. A 55 has a 32MP front camera, f/2.2. The A55 offers a higher resolution front camera for better selfie quality. Software. A56 has Android 15 with One UI 7. A55 has Android 14 with One UI 6.1. The A56 comes with a newer version of Android and One UI. CPU and performance. A56 has an Exynos 1580 chipset with an octa-core processor. A 55 has an Exynos 1480 chipset with an octa-core processor. The A56 is powered by a slightly more advanced Exynos chipset. RAM. A56 has 8GB. A55 has 8GB or 12GB. The A55 offers more flexibility with RAM options, providing up to 12GB. Display type. A 56 has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED 2340 by 1080 pixels display. A 55 has a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED 2340 by 1080 pixels display. Max brightness. A 56 has up to 1000 nits in high brightness mode, HBM. A 55 has up to 1000 nits in high brightness mode, HBM. Display protection. A 56 has Corning Gorilla Glass. A 55 has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. The A55 has the newer, more durable Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. Battery performance. A 56 has a 5000 mAh battery. A 55 has a 5000 mAh battery. Dimensions. A 56 has 7.4 millimeters thickness. A 55 has 8.2 millimeters thickness. Weight and build. A 56 has 198 grams, glass front and back with an aluminum frame. A 55 has 213 grams, glass front and back with an aluminum frame. Water resistance. A 56 has an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. A 55 has an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. Back cover material. A 56 has a glass back. A 55 has a glass back. Storage options. A 56 has 256 GB, no micro support. A 55 has 128 GB or 256 GB with micro support. The A55 offers micro support, allowing expandable storage. Network. A 56 has 5G capability. A 55 has 5G capability. USB port. A 56 has a USB Type-C port. A 55 has a USB Type-C port. Price. A 56 has a starting price of $499. A 55 has a starting price of $429. The A56 is priced higher than the A55 by $70. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy A56 is the winner over the Samsung Galaxy A55 due to its more advanced chipset, newer software, and slimmer design.